welcome back to my channel, and today I have a sticker haul and I'm so excited. So I ordered from Chic Street Sticker Boutique and I ordered quite a bit, I'm not gonna lie. So I will run down real quick, not like actually run down because, oh, that's really overexposed. Sorry about that. I ordered, yeah, quite a bit. Here we go. I ordered 7 different packages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe I miscounted. No. Well, we'll see what I actually got. So, I ordered 2 of those guys. I ordered a watercolor sticky note bundle, which I think is this one. And then I ordered 2 hand letter doodles, lettering doodles. I ordered 2 foil misfit bundles. And then 2 of those. Okay, perfect. Sorry, I had to make sure I knew what I ordered. So this is something that I added on. And this is like the freebies she gives you. And you can foil her freebies. That's the awesome thing about it. So I'm gonna move these out of the way. We're gonna be here for a minute, so get yourself together because I have to. So yes, this one is so fun. So I use her stuff quite often. So this is the freebie you get, and you can foil this. And then I had to pick up 2 more work from home stickers because I go through these quite a bit and my autofocus is off, so sorry. So yeah, I go through these quite a bit. And let's go with the foiled misfits, which these are letters and doodles. So I got 2 of these. I don't remember the full details of each of the details, like behind each one, but you know. Again, I'm not gonna know what these are. You're gonna have to bear with me. I think this is the sampler page that like you can order. Like I believe you can order this. Don't quote me on that. So I have clouds. These are really cute. Oh man, I don't watch The Voice. But it's okay, I figured. Work. Grey's Anatomy. Don't really watch that. To do. I don't see what's wrong with these. Maybe she just had a bunch of extra that didn't sell. I don't know. Clean up. Your girl always got to do that. As you've watched probably a bunch of different things that I have done. Hawaii 5-0. Don't watch that. I don't even know what that is. Probably a cop show, right? These are super cute. Oh, these are so fun. Yeah, these are like her little check mark thing. So super happy about that. I'm really surprised I only got 3 that I wouldn't quote unquote use. I'll probably go on her Facebook page and see if anybody wants those. So yes, these are the foiled misfit bundles. Again, this is another one. These, I knew I was taking a risk of getting things that I, quote unquote, wouldn't use because there's a lot of TV shows that were in there that I don't watch. So I pretty much knew I could get that. Or like babysitting or something like that. Obviously I don't do that. So again, sampler, the work, and these are on clear. I'm excited. And then we got those things again. But I think the other ones were like, yeah, so these ones are like together in one, where these are actually individual. And then I got another work, laundry. Your girl has plenty of laundry to do, don't you worry. Sweet. To do, another Grey's Anatomy. Real Housewives of Orange County is on right now. Duh, I'm watching it. And then I think this is a sampler, but like you can buy this sampler. Like it's a what are they called? Like a doodle sample. And then this is something I haven't like fully gotten like used to this. Like people are doing like dividers. I have some dividers actually that I've made that I'm foiling and releasing as well, but I'm trying to get like into these. These are like, not like headers, but like they're dividers that you could use like headers. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense. So let's go non-foiled first. I'm gonna zoom this out because the pages are a little bit bigger. So I believe, again, don't 100% quote me on this because I am a terrible person at knowing what's going on. I just knew the sticky notes looked bomb. And so I think this is the complete set, but it's a misfit set, which I don't really see anything wrong. There we go, my bad. I don't see what's wrong. Okay, they're off-centered like a little bit. Like, I don't think anyone would be mad at that. Like, would you? I'm not mad at that. Dang, I should have ordered 2 of these. These are so pretty. I really like these. I wasn't 100% sold on them because I didn't know if I would like them, but my planning style is becoming a lot more minimal. Yeah, these are super cute. Yeah, I'm down with these. Yeah, this is the complete set. I believe there was 15 sheets. Ooh, I really like that one. Like, look how fun and cute these are. I don't know how many sheets there are. 10? Something like that. So yeah, now we're on to the foiled misfits that I got 2 of, and I think she said there would be quite a bunch of sticky notes in here. Like, I call these sticky notes, like, whatever. You know what I mean. How precious are these? I don't know what I would use these for. Like, they're so little. Are these like people who do like personal planning? Is that what these are pretty much designed for? People, just kicked my screen. Because I really don't know what I would use them for. But they're pretty. Same with the little sticky notes. I want to say these are probably for more personal. But these are super cute too. So these are her glitter headers. I don't have any of her glitter headers because I have my own. But these are cute too. They're like squares and octagons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And then these little guys, which I still like. No shade from that. And then we have some sticky notes. These are in a like star. I don't know, is that gonna pick up on, oh yeah, it kind of does. They're a star pattern. I'm looking for what's wrong. I don't know, maybe she just, oh, over there. But like, really? Interesting. I have seen this sampler and I have been wondering if I should pick one up. So I'm glad I got one. Cause like, how cute are these? Like, they're like sticky notes. Like, I'm obsessed with that. Oh, and these are nice. When I got black ones too. You know, I don't see what's wrong. The foiling, I mean, is still pretty good. Like, I'm not mad at it. So I guess her misfits are really good. Like, I actually, in my misfits, actually have some misfits. There's very few misfits in this. Oh, how fun. This is in hollow. Yeah, this is cute. I like that. I'm like not even looking at my screen. I should probably look at that more. And then, the last but not least, I know we're 10 minutes in, I'm sorry guys. Some more of these little guys, which of course I'll find a use for it. Oh, I like these. I like these colors. Another blue one. I think I got blue. Oh, I got a different shade of blue. Oh, is that the right? Yeah. Sweet. Blue is always good. We're coming up into like winter. Oh, it's the same color scheme. So like, that's gonna be perfect going into like winter season. And then this is like squared ones. And then these are the blue headers with hollow. Right? Yeah, hollow. Glitter. Hollow glitter. I don't know. Something like that. And then this looks like rose gold, I think. But super pretty. Like, look how pretty they are. Like, I just want to stare at these. And then we have a green sampler. And then, is this part of a kit? This may have been part of a kit. Because this looks like it would be for a kit. Some black ones, which, you know, I can always use neutral colors, like, not even mad at it. And then another sampler. I'm not gonna lie, I made it with a bang. Because, like, you don't know with Misfits, like, especially I've never ordered her Misfits before, but, you know, I got a lot. And I just, like, clicked. Like, I didn't even give myself a chance to really think about what I was ordering. I kind of went in with like, oh yeah, I want to order this. I want to order that. And I'm shocked I only ended up with 4 things. And I mean, I'm not even mad at the Grey's Anatomy because I've watched Grey's Anatomy for many seasons, but The Voice I don't watch. So I'm probably just gonna say, hey, someone give me your shipping address and I'll send them to you. And then I got a lot of her other things here. I'm not gonna, there we go. We got it. So yeah, I'm excited, and this definitely won't be my last Misfit, like, thing. What are they called? Misfit bundles. Because hers are awesome, like, awesome. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.